Alright, hey guys, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to do a video review on the Condor handcuff pouch. It is MOLLE. It has does MOLLE webbing, so the MOLLE straps that brings on with it. It has a button snap. They are sewed on there, which I like because that way you don't lose the straps to it. The stitching all around it, it's really nice. Also, it's really good stitching, like really awesome stitching. The pull tab that it has, it's not from the same material as the pouch. It's rubber. It's like rubber type. It's really nice. The Velcro on it's really, even like that, it was a hard pull. So inside it allows two handcuffs to go in there. And it's double, so as you can see, it has a spacer, a divider in there. I have two hinge handcuffs, double lock. I got those as a deal also. They both came, I bought them together. Well, anyways, Velcro. To me, I've had this for about a year already. I've liked it. I've used it. I've worn it on my duty gear. I put it on my battle belt and plate carrier. They've gone on both of them. So what's cool about it right here, once you have it already locked in, and you snap this one, if it pulls up, this right here makes it lock into the webbing that you have for, say, the webbing that's attached, whatever you have this pouch attached to, it'll lock it in. Once it won't move, like it's locked in there. I like using MOLLE gear because it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So that's the Condor MOLLE pouch. It's in black. Comes multicam, tan, and OD. I got it on lapg.com. They retail it for $8.95. You guys got any questions, comments? Maybe you guys use it for something else. Let me know. I'll leave the link for if you guys want to purchase it. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks.